The global race to build humanoid robots is heating up. Samsung is positioning itself to capitalize on physical AI as a potential cash cow. It recently announced the creation of its Robotics Experience or RX division, and the message there is that it's gearing up to be one of the top global heavyweights in humanoid robotics. Samsung's robotics teams were previously scattered across different departments. This new unit consolidates all that under one roof, allowing it to shift gears from pure research to serious commercialization. It's no longer robot concepts that the electronics titan is playing with. It's building robots to actually sell. So why does this matter? This is about one of the largest manufacturers on the planet with global supply chains and a brand trusted in billions of homes. The timing of Samsung's RX creation also adds to the news value here. Earlier this year, leaders at Davos agreed that robotics has finally cleared its toughest technical hurdles. Look around and you'll see why. UBTech is marketing companion bots. Tesla is betting big that Optimus will be bigger than its car business. Samsung stepping into this ring tells us that the era of mass market humanoids is right there, outside, knocking on the door. We of course hear market analysts pointing out that Samsung is playing catch up when it comes to the brains behind AI, the models that power the likes of ChatGPT or Google Gemini. It's not leading in that department. Nonetheless, in the physical world of robotics, pure software brains aren't the only thing that matters. Samsung has three critical advantages that many others cannot match. Their assembly lines, for one, are a key advantage. Instead of renting warehouses or relying on computer simulations like most startups, Samsung plans to drop their robots directly onto their own factory floors, those that make smartphones, semiconductors, and appliances. They're even building a data factory in Gumi, South Korea, just to collect real-world movement and grid data from these machines. 2. On suppliers. Building a humanoid requires chips, sensors, displays, and memory. Samsung doesn't have to beg suppliers for these or worry about price hikes. They make them in-house. That gives them a shield against the supply chain bottlenecks that can cripple smaller competitors. And then you have the deep pockets. While we don't know the exact budget, analysts say spinning off a standalone unit like this usually means hundreds of millions in investment. Plus, they've already secured a controlling stake in a key robotics firm called Rainbow Robotics. They have the money to buy talent, to buy technology, and the staying power in this capital-hungry game. And not to forget its work on dexterity, one of the hardest bottlenecks in physical AI, about robots being able or unable to grip without breaking something like an egg. Samsung has recruited top robotic hand experts to build manipulators that mimic human muscles and joints. It's not the only one that does this though. I know, but here's where it has an upper hand. Yes, pun intended. They can test these hands endlessly. Their factories serve as gyms where robots can try, drop, adjust, and try again. That's not to say we will see a Samsung humanoid in our living rooms this year. That's too soon. Tesla's Optimus, UBTech, Unitree, and other key players are all moving fast, I'd like to believe, and they will beat Samsung to the retail punchline. But Samsung is taking time seriously. They are using their manufacturing empire as a breeding ground to perfect these machines. And when they decide to scale up and step outside the factory gates, will it have immense pressure on every single rival in this race? It will be fascinating to watch the contest in the next few years.